Hello, mamas. I am Alex Crawford from Indulge Pure Originals. In the Mama Needs box for July, you received a Glow Butter body butter bar in Satsuma Shimmer, which is one of our most popular glow butters that we sell. So congratulations. It is such an awesome product. And if you have never used a product like this before, let me tell you about what a solid lotion bar is. So a solid lotion bar comes in a solid form, and it's just that, it's solid lotion versus getting it out of a tub or some sort of pot of cream. It's in a solid form, and these are originally designed to be used outside. When you're at the pool, at the beach, if you're just going out for date night. These products are formulated with some mica in there, so there is a little bit of shimmer to you, so you're shimmering while you're outside, plus you're getting like a really fabulous tan and hydrating all at the same time. These bars stem from our original line of body butter bars, and they do the exact same thing, except the original bars don't have mica in them to shimmer. So you are lucky gals, because the Glow Butter is such an awesome product, and I really wanted to take a second to show you how to use it in case you might be a little confused. So you got the Satsuma Shimmer, so I'm going to show you with my personal bar. Doesn't it smell so good? I love this scent. So you take your bar. I'm in Georgia, so it is blazing hot here, and I would much rather be in a bathing suit with you. But you take your bar, and since your skin is already going to be warm from the heat wherever you are, your skin's going to be warm enough that you can apply this bar right onto your skin. So that's why these are meant to be used outside. So when you're just in your bathing suit or you're going for date night and you have something on, you simply just apply and rub right onto your skin, and you can also massage it into your skin afterwards. But it's literally just going to glide on your skin because of how warm you are. So I'm not sure if you can see that at all, but the product is being left on my skin, so you just set it down and you can rub the rest in. Make sure you get your cuticles. Sometimes we forget those because those are the areas that who thinks to like rub your cuticles. So this is your friendly reminder to rub that product right into your cuticles, because it's going to hydrate those and give you some nice shimmering glow at the same time. So you want to do this all over your body, especially if you're in a swimsuit. Make sure you get your front, your legs. This product, of course, does not have any SPF in it, so you want to make sure that before you apply your bar, you want to do an SPF of 30 and above. Make sure that sets in, and then use your bar right on top of that, and it will last you. You don't even really need to reapply. It'll last you a good 8 hours when you're outside. The only thing I would say is if you are in the beach or in the pool and constantly in there, you may want to reapply if you're going to sit on the sand, sit on your blanket, your towel, and just take in all of that goodness. So if you have any questions, I am here to help you. You can find me at Indulge Pure Originals on Instagram, at indulgepureoriginals.com, and on Facebook at Indulge Pure Originals. You can send me an email at help@indulgepureoriginals.com, and I am happy to help you. Again, my name is Alex Crawford. I made all of these bars for you. I hope you love them and enjoy them. And if you have any questions, I am here for you. Thank you so much, mamas, and enjoy your day.